actually, I'm going to take a step back because it's really, to me, it's not just love, it's connection more.
Okay.
So I'm new to Hamilton. I've been here for 3 years. And it's very hard to connect in a new city, especially after you get to a certain age.
Shelley, where are you from?
I'm from London, Ontario, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so I lived in London, Ontario for 20 years, have tons of friends there, knew tons of people. All of that was created through in-person connection.
Yes.
But then I moved to Hamilton, and then after COVID, people forgot how to connect.
Oh.
And it is true, it is true. And I think we were heading that way anyways, but I think COVID sped it up. I think it really sped it up. Because even to find female friends is very tough, very, very tough. So I finally decided that I just needed to get out into the community. And that's what I did. I mean, I just stopped bothering with that and I just got out in the community. I'm not saying that I've found love, but I've found connection, right?
Yes.
And connection can be in some very unusual places. It can be, well, for me, it's a dog park every day. Everyone knows me. Everyone checks on me. Everyone wants to know how I am. Are you doing okay? It was the hospital. They checked on me. They made sure I was okay when I was in that situation. And and I find also just going out into the community and being a part of your community and people seeing you, and they see you at a restaurant or they see you at a coffee shop and you say hi and you make a little bit of small chat, and that small chat is the connection that we desperately need that we do not get from screens. And because people are so desperate for that connection that they really want to have someone to talk about, and they want someone who's not going to judge them, right? They just want someone to listen. So you know, good thing I've been in a lot of therapy. Right? I saw a man the other day and he was buying cat grass, and I thought that was the sweetest thing. And I said, "You're such a good cat dad." And he said to me, I thought he was going to burst into tears. He said, "Oh, my cat is dying, and it's the last time it'll get to have cat grass." He shared something that's really painful, right, with a total stranger.
Yes.
So we desperately need connection. Like, I love the internet. I love like all of the things that it's brought to us. And I remember a time when we didn't have it, and I love what it's brought us, but I also think that we've lost our way when it comes to being able to connect. So if we can't connect, how will we ever love?